So now let us study about the free electrons theory. So in this free electrons theory, first we will discuss about the classical theory. Okay? So before seeing this classical theory, free electrons is nothing but it is also called as the valence electron. Okay? So this valence electrons is nothing but it acts as a conduction process. When the conducting materials எப்படி அந்த வந்து ஒரு material it acts as a conduction process நடக்குதுன்னா due to the presence of the free electrons. Okay. So how the material is act as so the conducting material is nothing but what is that the material it acts as a conduction process that is called as the conducting material. Okay. So why this type of the materials all act as a conduction? எதனால அந்த conduction நடக்குது? That particular metal ion aluminum இதெல்லாம் எதனால இந்த conduction நடக்குது அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா due to the presence of the free electrons னு சொல்றோம். Okay. So this free electrons is also called as the valence electron. So this valence electron எங்க இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா atoms ல இருக்கிற outermost orbitல இருக்கு place ஆகிருக்கு. Okay. So we will take as any one of the conducting material. So each and every material is having some atoms. Okay. Number of ஒரு perfect solid material னா ஒரு arrangement of the atom வந்து இருக்கும். Okay. ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராங்கான மெட்டீரியல் இருக்குன்னா அந்த ஆட்டம்ஸ் எல்லாமே ரெகுலர் பீரியாடிக்கல் அரேஞ்ச்மென்ட் வந்து அங்க இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? சோ here that particular atoms குள்ள என்ன இருக்கும்? நம்பர் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கும். சோ the electrons எப்படி இருக்கும்? depending on the material பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்பர் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் வந்து அது வேரி ஆகும். ஓகேவா? So due to this presence of electrons la outermost orbit la இருக்கிற electrons. So this is the nucleus. This is the innermost orbits here. So this outermost orbit la இருக்கிற electron is called as a free electron. So this particular electron is nothing but it ready to start moving for the conduction process. Okay. So conduction process வந்து start ready to move here. Okay. So this is a free electron. So in this classical theory we will study about the free electron theory பத்தி தான் நம்ம ஸ்டடி பண்றோம். எதை பார்க்க போறோம்? Free electrons theory பத்தி தான் நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறோம். So first வந்து இவனுக்கும் தெரியுமா அந்த three postulates கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What are they? Three postulates கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The first one is without applying the field. The second one is with applying the field கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இது நடக்குமா? இல்ல. Okay. So without applying the field, when the field is equal to 0, when the field is equal to 0, you will take an answer. Imagine you will take an answer one of the conducting material. One conducting material எடுத்துப்போம். So that particular conducting material's number of free electrons is placed here. So it does not have any potential energy because then all the free electrons it should be arranged in random motion. So random motions la all the free electrons are arranged here. Okay. So random இருக்குது. So due to this random motion நாம என்ன நடக்குது? So it will transfer the energy to the nearest electron. So that's the reason here the collision process நடக்குது. So here the lattice elasticity வந்து theory ஆகும்னு சொல்றோம். Okay. And then this particular random motion. So here the potential energy என்னவா இருக்கு? 0 ஆ இருக்கு. So the kinetic energy வந்து இங்க produced are due to the motion of the particle in random motion adu field kudukaathalame it should be very active it getting some motion edo motion la onnu idichittu the electron is getting some motion. Okay. So here now it look like a kinetic theory of gases. In this particular free electrons நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்னா it look like a kinetic theory of gases. So in the kinetic theory of gases represent பண்றோம்னா because you will take as one container, inside of this container you have to fill some gas molecule. The gas molecules you fill container. Okay. So when number of gas molecules எல்லாமே mix ஆகல. So it look like upon this particular gas molecules la potential energy இருக்குமா kinetic energy இருக்குமா? Kinetic energy தான். Okay. And also this gas molecules have random motion. Okay. அப்படி dissolve ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும் getting some random motion. In that same way this particular free electron without applying the field this free electron is getting the random motion. It look like a gas molecule. It look like a gas molecule mari adoda behavior வந்து இருக்குன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay. So that's the reason this random motion free electron which obey the kinetic theory of gases. அதோட ரூல்ஸ் வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay. It obey the kinetic theory of gases. So this is the another point. Okay. So field is 0 or 2 it is arranged in random manner. So here collision takes place here. We have it at the lattice elasticity and then this particular random motion electrons it obey that the free kinetic area of gases obey பண்ணுன்னு சொல்றேன். Understood? So this is the first two points here. Next one is that when the field is applied. When the field is applied. For field கொடுக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும்? All already having some motion now. So when we apply some field, all the electrons should be arranged in periodically. Ready to it is arranged in periodical, ready to start moving. Okay. So now when we apply some electrical field, all the electrons are moving opposite towards the field directions. Okay. So when now all the electrons it can be moving at one particular direction. All electrons will move on. Okay. So this is called as the. So that's the reason here the conduction process is taking place. Okay. Field zero or the random motion ஆகும். But ஆனா kinetic energy தான் அங்க present ஆகிருக்கு. Potential energy zero தான். It acts as the kinetic area of gases when the field is not equal to zero. All the electrons are it should be moving towards the field direction or opposite to the field direction. So that's why here the current conduction process is produced. Understood? So இது வந்து postulate. After completed this postulates, we will discuss about this one of the solid material which will explain the. I think you all studied in +2. We have to take as one of the considered one of the conducting solid material. So solid materials we will take it as a conducting material. So this conducting material is the number of electrons. It has a lot of electrons. So the electron is represented by small n. So no, the length of the material is we call as L here, and this area of the cross section is represented by capital A. So okay, and then now when we apply some electrical field, okay, when we apply some electrical field, all the electron is getting it is moving parallel or moving towards or opposite to the field direction. Okay, so the base பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து electrical conductivity in terms of mobility அப்படிங்கற ஒரு term வந்து நம்ம ஸ்டடி பண்ணோம். Okay, so before saying this, you up to these 2 points is clear. Any doubt in this 2 point? Any doubt? So when you apply some field, all the electrons are getting some motion now. It is moving at one of the particular direction. So that's the reason it is moving towards the field direction. Okay, electrons move on drift velocity. Electrons are getting some motion now, the definite velocity. So here we will call it as a drift velocity because all the electrons it can be moving in one of the particular direction, way directions of move and also it's arranged in periodical motion. Okay, so that's the reason that particular velocity is called as a drift velocity. So it's in your book. The average velocity acquired by the free electron. The average velocity acquired by the free electron in a particular direction due to the applications of the field. That is called as the drift velocity. Understood? So when the electron it should be moving at a particular direction due to the presence of the electrical field. So that velocity is called as the drift velocity. Understood? So here next one is the mobility. Okay, so velocity term so the next one is the mobility. Mobility is what here drift velocity absorbed by the free electron per unit electrical field. That is called as the mobility. So mu is equal to Vv divided by E. U is equal to Vv divided by E. Okay, drift velocity per unit electrical field is called as what is that? Drift velocity per unit electrical field is called mobility. Motion of the electrons okay, mobility. So in the equation first already 3 points, additionally in the 2 definitions. Okay, so next come to the solid material. So this solid material, its number of electrons is here, the area is here, the length of the material is L here. Now when we apply some electrical field, all the electron is getting some motion. Okay, so before applying the field, I will write the number of electron. Listen now, total number of electron in solid. Total number of electrons in solid. Okay, listen. Total number of electrons in solid number of electron in that particular area into length of the material. Okay, so here represent listen now. Total number of electron is present in the solid. The solid material number of electrons this number of electron that particular area, that particular length take place. Okay, so the Any doubt in this step one? Clear up? Okay, now come to the next point here. Total charge. Next we have to write the term of the total charge. Total charge present in the solid. Total charge present in solid. Total charge is represented by Q. So the Q is equal to what is that? Total number of electron into charge of one electron. Charge of one electron. So the you have write Q is equal to N into minus C. So minus sign is indicated by the electrons in negative charge now. So you have write this is the equation 2 here. Understood now? Total charge. First in there is no total number of electrons present in the solid is capital N. It's not in your book, write in your note. Okay, wow. So capital N is equal to small n into A into L. Total charge is present in the solid is Q is equal to total number of electron into charge of one electron. Negative charge is moving towards or opposite to the field direction. So that's the reason you have to put in minus. Okay. Some book minus the போடாமே இருக்காங்க. So in your book they follow minus. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, so Q is equal to N into minus E. Now substitute. Listen. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So what will get here? Q is equal to the n term be substitute பண்ணுங்க. So n into A into L into minus C. So this is your third equation. Now when you apply some field, you can have a field கொடுக்கல இல்ல electrons charge பத்தினா you study here. Okay, now when we apply some electric field here, all the electronic can be moving towards or opposite to the field direction. So that's the reason here the current conduction is produced. Okay, so the current flowing through the material, the current is passing through. அப்ப current எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னா அப்ப electron flow ஆகுறதுனா அந்த current இருக்கு. அப்ப electron flow இருக்குனா definitely it has velocity, no drift velocity இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? It has the drift velocity. So the current in the solid material, okay, right here. Current in solid, the current in solid material I is equal to charge. I is equal to charge divided by time. Charge divided by time taken for the motion of the electrons, motion of the charges. Okay, so this is the formula. Current in the solid material I is equal to total charge in the solid material divided by time taken for the motion of the electrons or charges. Understood here? So now this is the fourth equation. This one is the fourth equation. Now substitute equation 3 in equation 4. Fourth equation is substitute. So what we get here? I is equal to N A L into E divided by small t. Understood? So this one is your fifth equation. This one is fifth equation. So now we will write the term of the current density. So the current density is represented by capital J. So the definition for the current density is nothing but the amount of flow of current it is passing through the material per unit area is called as the current density. Okay. So the current density formula will insert pannrom because in this considered rod having the current producing current here. So now write the term of the current density. So the current density J is equal to I divided by A. So this is a formula. Okay, so J particular J is equal to I divided by A. Amount of flow of current per unit area. Okay. So here, so this one is the sixth equation. This one is what is the sixth equation. Now substitute equation 5 in equation 6. Substitute equation 5 in equation 6. What you will get here? J is equal to N A L into minus E divided by T. GT, small t. It's not tau. இது வந்து tau கிடையாது. Small t முக்கிய ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So அதனால நான் அதே பேட்டர்ன்ல போயிருக்கேன். Follow and understand. It's not a tau, no, it's not a dot. அது வந்து T. டாட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபோர்ஸ் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணும். இது வந்து டவு கிடையாது. ஸ்மால் t. ஆமா டைம் t. நீ ஸ்மால் t போடுறதா இருந்தாலும் போட்டுக்கோ, நோ இஷ்யூஸ். ஓகேவா? பட் ஆனா உங்க புக்ல இந்த சிம்பிள் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கிறதுனால ஐ ஃபாலோ திஸ் சிம்பிள். ஓகே? So this one is a small t. ஓகேவா? என்னமா? What? Denominator வரும். A. ஓகேவா? Next என்ன வரும்? So J is equal to இங்க கேன்சல் பண்ணிடலாமா? Cancel here. Okay, so cancel here. What will get here finally? J is equal to N into L into minus E divided by G. So here, listen. PD, the velocity is equal to L divided by small d. So here, L divided by small d is contained as the velocity. So now write J is equal to NBD into minus E. Okay? So this one is the seventh equation. Understood now? Understood? Any doubt in the steps? Doubt lega? BD is equal to L divided by small d. Okay, so now we write the term of current density in Ohm's law. Current density is considered Ohm's law. Current density in Ohm's law. Current density in Ohm's law. So here Ohm's law I is equal to V divided by R. Okay, I is equal to V divided by R. This one is the eighth equation. Listen, I is equal to V divided by R. Next, R is the resistance. Resistance is equal to rho into L divided by A. Rho into L divided by resistance is nothing but to resist. R, rho is the resistivity to resist the flow of current. So the resist the flow of current in our produced in our considered material mentioned. We should call it as a capital R, that is the resistance. Opposition offered by the solid material. Opposition offered by the solid material in the movement of the electrons. Okay, so in our considered material represent resistance in சொல்லுவோம். So the resistance is directly proportional to length of the material and inversely proportional to the area of the cross section. So R is equal to rho L divided by A. So this is the ninth equation. Now substitute. Listen. Substitute equation 9 in equation 8 here. Okay, so what you write here? I is equal to P divided by rho L divided by A here. Rho L divided by A. So next step what we get here? So I is equal to PA divided by rho L. Okay, so this one is the 10th equation. Now take the current density formula. Now you should take the current density formula. That is the 6th equation. Now substitute. Listen. Substitute equation 10 in equation 6. Substitute equation 10 in equation 6. 6 la one by substitute panna. J is equal to what will get here? J is equal to PA divided by rho L divided by A here. Shall I write here? Kalchilama. So what you get here? J is equal to PA divided by rho L into 1 divided by A. So A cancel. So J is equal to what you get? B divided by rho into L. Yeah. So in the term every number relations total. So B by L. Listen now. B by L is represented by electrical field. Voltage per unit length is called as the applied electrical field. So the formula electrical field is nothing but voltage per unit length is called as the electrical field. So V divided by L is equal to E. Next one is the sigma is what here? Conductivity. Conductivity is what here? It is inversely proportional to the resistivity. So sigma is equal to 1 divided by rho solom. Okay, so substitute in these two equations in this equation. So this one is what is that? 11th equation. So substitute there what you get here? J is equal to sigma into E. This one is the 12th equation. Understood in this step? Any doubt? Now compare equation 12 and then equation 7. Now compare these two equations. Equation 12 equation 7 you have to compare it. Okay, so ready compare பண்ணுங்க. What will get here? So here equation 12 is equal to like here. Equation 12 is equal to equation 7. So what will get here? Sigma E is equal to N into Vd into minus E. But here what you want here? என்ன வேணும் நமக்கு sigma. Sigma is what here? Conductivity or conduction. Conductivity is considered material that we should calculate here. So sigma is equal to N into Vd minus E divided by into E. So here Vd minus E is what here? Vd minus E na enadhu? It's mobility. Okay, so mu is equal to Vd divided by E. So this one is the 13th equation. So substitute in this term, what will get here? Sigma is equal to N into mu into minus E. So this equation is represented by the electrical conductivity in our solid material in terms of the mobility. In terms of mobility terms of explain பண்ண சொன்னா you should write this equations. The equations are the here. Understood? Any doubt in the steps? Any doubts? Right? Easy alga. Chalega. What?
Under the last
Yeah.
P is equal to SA. A we cancel.
Amma.
அதே இங்க மட்டும் மல்டிப்ளை
இங்க
அந்த சைடு I is equal to P rho
you cancel பண்ணியாச்சு.
அது A cancel ஆகும். அது இங்க வந்து மல்டிப்ளை இங்க இருக்கு மல்டிப்ளை P rho I is equal to ஈக்குவேஷன் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் substitute equation இங்க மட்டும் கேன்சல் ஆகுது
1 by A
இங்க
so here is denominator term now. So in this denominator term, so what you write here? A divided by 1.
இங்க வந்து இங்க 1 by a இங்க a by 1
this is considered whole term now. Whole term. This one is the whole term. This is the denominator term. So 1 is there. Because so 1 by a is சொல்லிட்டு நமக்கு போடுவோம். But here அது நமக்கு கிடையாது. So this is the v term. This is the v term. இல்லனா அதை நம்ம எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா v divided by 1 divided by rho here. So this is the denominator term. அங்க வந்து 1 it's denominator term sir 1 denominator is 1. இங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்க denominator a பண்ணி is a silly question கேட்டாங்க என்ன உங்களுக்கு இருக்கு p is here p ஓட denominator here term here ஓகேவா சோ இது numerator தான் இது denominator தான் ஓகேவா இது whole term டா
Okay ma'am.
this one is the whole term so the whole term என்ன வரும் நமக்கு so இது வந்து நம்ம மேல எடுத்தோம்னா என்ன ஆகும் ஓகே so இது denominator இருக்கு மட்டும் இந்த numerator போகும் ஆனா இந்த இருக்க denominator வருமா so that's the reason I put here p
Okay.
ஓகேவா சரி இனிமேல் நான் ஸ்டெப் பை ஓகே ஓகே ஹாப்பி time on shall we go for the next topic and then listen carefully next is also the expression for the electrical conductivity now but it's not in terms of the mobility based பண்ணி நம்ம ஸ்டடி பண்ண மாட்டோம் directly we take the current density formula okay listen now draw this diagram everyone write the derivation in your notes எழுதுங்க listen now listen now so now same concept இதுக்கு முன்னாடி சொன்ன same concept தான் but here we should calculate about the electrical conductivity okay so the electrical conductivity definition is nothing but amount of charges flowing through the material per unit area per unit time per unit applied electrical field okay so that is the definition for the electrical conductivity so here we should take it as one of the conducting material so in this conducting material having the number of free electrons when we apply some electrical field here so all the electron it is moving towards the opposite to the field direction to transfer all the so that's the reason here the current conduction is produced okay so the current flowing through the material is nothing but the current flow as an example of the considered material current density produced ஆமா that current density is represented by J. நம்ம already find out பண்ணிருக்கோம்ல in terms of mobility அந்த termல இருந்து நம்ம எடுத்துக்கோம் ஓகேவா J is equal to NPV into E example you should take this understood அங்க இருந்து நம்ம டைரக்ட்டா current flowing அந்த ஸ்டெப்ல தான் நம்ம திரும்ப போடாம directly we should take it as a current flowing through the material J is equal to current flow ஆச்சுனா என்ன இருக்கும் கண்டிப்பா number of electrons தான் flow ஆகும் in terms of the mobility sorry drift velocity flow of electrons இருந்துச்சுனா என்ன நடக்கும்ங்க definitely it having the drift velocity so நம்ம அந்த ரிலேஷன்ஸ் அப்படியே எடுத்துப்போம் ஓகேவா so J is equal to NVT into minus U okay so the next one is the acceleration so now so flow of electrons இருந்தா என்ன நடக்கும் it having the velocity drift velocity நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் ஓகேவா so that's the reason we should take it as the acceleration formula so acceleration so velocity is equal to acceleration so acceleration is equal to it having that drift velocity formula divided by per unit time period okay per unit time so what you write here A is equal to VD is divided by T so this is your second and then now what you calculate here now we get calculate பண்ண போறோம் drift velocity so VD is equal to A into T so this is your second இப்போ மீறி நம்ம drift velocity பண்ணணும்னா you should know about the acceleration. Acceleration என்னன்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So acceleration கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு so here the flow of electrons when you apply some field electron is getting some motion now. Electron is getting some motion. How it getting motion? Because force. The force now electron is getting motion. Okay now. So here what you write here? Force experienced by electron F is equal to minus E into capital E. This is your third equation. Understood in this step? Understood? This step கொடுத்துதா நம்ம ஃபீல்ட் கொடுத்தோம்னா electronic free electronic getting the motion எப்படி மூவ் ஆகுது it having the periodical arrangement it moves in one of the particular direction so அப்ப the velocity acceleration is also having இதெல்லாம் நடக்கணும்னா என்ன வேணும் force okay producing force நால electronic getting some motion so what you write here force experienced by the electron F is equal to minus E into capital E. So this is your third equation. Okay. Now Newton's second law of motion. F is equal to what is that? Mass into acceleration. This okay, so this one is the fourth equation. Now equating these two equations here, acceleration contribution. Okay, so acceleration contribution drift velocity have to substitute. Okay, so now equating these two equations. What you write here? So equation 3 is equal to equation 4. Equation 3 is equal to equation 4. So what you get here? Equation 3 minus E. Okay, so minus E into E is equal to M into A here. M into A here. So A is equal to what here? A is equal to minus E into E divided by M. Okay, right. So this one is the fifth equation. Now substitute equation 5 in equation 2. Listen. Substitute equation 5 in equation 2. Substitute equation 5 in equation 2. What will get here? VD direct substitute பண்ணிக்கலாம். So VD is equal to minus E into E divided by M into T. Small t number again. Okay. So this one is the seventh equation. Understood? Understood? Okay. Sixth equation. Okay. Now substitute equation 6 in equation 1. Substitute equation 6 in equation 1. Okay, now so what will write now? Substitute equation 6 in 1. So J is equal to M into minus E into and then minus E into E divided by M into small. Okay. Next is lambda. So J is equal to N E square into E divided by into T divided by M. Understood in this step? Now take the equation for the relation between of current density and electrical field. Tell me what is the relation between of current density and electrical field? Previous level J is equal to sigma into E. Okay, take that equation. So this one is the seventh equation. So J is equal to sigma into E. This is the eighth equation. Now equating these two equations, equation 8 is equal to equation 7. So sigma E is equal to M into E square E into T divided by M. So the E is cancelled. So find sigma is equal to M E square T divided by M. So this one is the ninth equation. This equation represents the This equation represents the electrical conductivity. Never considered solid material. Understood? Understood? Any doubt in this step? Up to this 8 marks. You are going to derive got 8 marks. So next start பண்ணிடலாம் அப்படி இதோட கண்டினியூஷன் தான் we will discuss about the listen. We will discuss about the thermal conductivity. ஓகேவா? So thermal conductivity ல வந்து only the material applied field மட்டும் தான் இங்க வந்து changes ஆகும். இங்க வந்து field கொடுத்தோம் அங்க என்ன பண்றோம் நம்ம heat radiation வந்து pass பண்ணுவோம். That is the difference here. Shall I rub this one? Not completely. Voice finished. Last row. Where are the set? Listen. So now here we will calculate about the expression for the thermal conductivity. Expression for the what? Expression for the thermal conductivity. First I will explain about the definition for the thermal conductivity. Amount of heat flowing through the material per unit area, per unit time with respect per unit temperature gradient. Okay, so the amount of heat flowing through the material per unit area, per unit time, per unit temperature gradient. As a field, the temperature gradient is nothing but it is the rate of fall in temperature. Rate of falling temperature. Okay. Rate of fall in temperature gradient is d theta by dx. With respect to that distance, temperature over considered material it should be reduced. Okay. So yeah, this is our considered material. This is our considered material rod. One end is A, another end is B here. Now when we apply some heat energy at the end of A, level நம்ம heat energy pass பண்றோம். Heat அப்ப எங்க அதிகமா இருக்கும்? At the end of A. At the end of B, the heat energy is very less. No? So we are at the end of A, it's the hot end. At the end of B, we should call it as the it's a cold end or the cold end. Okay. So the distance between the starting point A to B, we call it as the 2 lambda. Okay. So here we should first calculate about the amount of heat conducted by this considered rod A to B. So A to B we can calculate. Okay. So the amount of heat flowing through the material at the end of A to B. Okay. So first write it down here. Amount of heat conducted from A to B. Conducted from A to B. So now we amount of heat we will call as Q. Amount of heat we will call as Q. So Q is listen. Boys listen. Q is directly proportional. Q is directly proportional to A into area of the cross section. The temperature difference at the hot end the temperature is T1. At the cold end the temperature is TQ. Okay, wow. So here the other end of A to B or the temperature difference is what is that mark? Temperature difference in the T2 minus T1 minus T2 here. Okay, so it is directly proportional to area and the temperature difference T1 minus T2 at that particular time period. So these all are directly proportional to each other divided by this 2 lambda. Length of the material only is inversely proportional. So length of the material only is inversely proportional because at the end of A to B temperature வந்து நமக்கு ஒரே இதுவா இருக்காது. ஓகேவா? It's slowly it comes down now. Slow get down reduce ஆகும். How the material characters the heat conduction na vibrations நால. ஓகேவா? அங்க வந்து electron is moving opposite or towards the field direction சொன்னோம். இங்க எப்படினா inside of the listen we are basically inside of this material the number of electrons இருக்கும். So the molecules சொல்லலாம் electrons இருக்கும். Okay, when we apply some heat energy, so the atoms or the molecules is getting some vibration. So due to this vibrations நால என்ன ஆகும்? Nearest neighboring atom it transferring the energy. So that's the reason that atom is also getting vibration. Again it transfer the energy. So in the collision process வந்து இது take போறோம். Okay வா? So due to the presence of heat energy. So in that way இது வந்து current conduction இருக்கு. For example, take on paper ஒரு பேப்பர் ஆர் புக் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. You have to keep it fire. ஒரு ஃபயர் வச்சிருந்தீங்க என்ன ஆகும்? ஸ்லோவா வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிட்டே போயிடும். என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட்ல இருக்கிற ஆட்டம்ஸ் ஆர் மாலிகுல் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வைப்ரேட் ஆகும். வைப்ரேட் ஆகி அதோட எனர்ஜி ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணி நியரஸ்ட் நெய்பரிங் ஆட்டம்ஸ் கொடுக்கும். ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அதுவும் பர்ன் ஆகும், வைப்ரேட் ஆகும். Again it transferring the energy to the nearest neighboring. So here the collision process வந்து it take over. Okay, so due to this reason in this particular time period தான் நம்ம வந்து collision time period னு சொல்றோம். ஓகேவா? அதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு டெஃபினிஷன்ஸ் வரும். So here the amount of heat, so in that way in this way the current not current heat conduction process takes place. Okay, so the amount of heat conducted from A to B. A to B is directly proportional to charge. So the amount of heat flowing through the material is proportional to area, that temperature difference, and A to B then it is also T1 minus T2. Okay, so into the time period divided it is inversely proportional to the 2 lambda. So it is inversely proportional to this length and so on. Okay, so mean free path. So this is the mean free path. The distance that we should mention it. And then now Q is equal to what is that? Q is equal to K. K is what your thermal conductivity. K is what your coefficient of thermal conductivity. So K, constant of the proportionality. K into A, T1 minus T2 into T divided by 2 lambda. Okay, so this is the first equation. Now not a first equation. Now we should write the term of K. If we find out K find out. So K is equal to what is that? K is equal to Q. K is equal to Q. இல்ல நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து A வந்து என்னது டெஃபினிஷன் என்ன சொன்னேன் amount of heat flowing through the material per unit area no so per unit area na is considered as per unit time periods so it is also 1 seconds only okay va so what will write here so the whole term is considered as K is equal to Q into A into T1 minus T2 into T divided by 2 lambda. Next step K is equal to 2 divided by sorry cross multiply பண்ணுவோம்ல do the cross multiplication. So here K is equal to 2 into Q divided by A into T1 minus T2 into T into 2 lambda. Okay, so now A is what here per unit area of the cross section. Okay, so here you have to consider this 1 meter cube here. Okay, so the next one is here T is equal to 1 second. So you take out 1 arrow. So not this term. Temperature difference is not comes to 1 here. time period உங்களுக்கு இதுதான் time period area of the cross section it comes to 1. So k is equal to 2 divided by t1 minus t2 into actually the சில bookல இந்த statement வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு நான் இது பார்த்து உங்களுக்கு கிளியரா சொல்றேன் இத ஷார்ட்டா so இதோட க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் stop